All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you some tools that you need to be practicing by yourself. And the first tool I'll introduce you to is called um, Ubuntu VirtualBox. Now, this is my own VirtualBox. You can simply load it, like what I'm going to do right now. All right, when it's loaded, you simply click on Start. Note that I have installed my Ubuntu on this VirtualBox before now. If you want to do that, simply go on YouTube and then watch a video on how to do that. I can guide you with it, my help. So let's click on Start and let the program run. All right, so this is my Linux operating system loaded on my Windows. So I can simply click on my name and then put my password. All right, and then here you have my desktop environment. This is how Ubuntu looks like. Okay, now I can go to my terminal by clicking here to show my applications. And then I can simply click on my terminal to practice my codes or whatever I got to do with shell navigations. Okay, now why do I really need this? Let's see something. Let's have two screens here. So I'm gonna place this one side, and I'm gonna place this one side. Now here I can go to my sandbox. Then this is my sandbox. Okay. All right, and then I go to my webtem. Webtem is where you do all your shell navigations, all your codes, C language, everything's gonna be done here, except you want to choose your own terminal. Now, here, let's say I'll explain it just for purpose of explanation. I want to make directory mkdir, and then I call it, let's call it delete call. I'm gonna delete the folder. Let's call that delete, enter. Now, if I list ls, I'll explain, don't worry. You will see the delete folder here. This is the delete folder. All right. Now, this is online. I need data. My data got to be active. You can see this for me to do this. But if I come to my webtem, if I come to my VirtualBox Ubuntu, I can do the same thing. mkdir, then I now call the same thing delete. Enter. Now let me list also ls. You can see the delete here. All right. So now what's the difference? The difference simply is I can use this one to study by myself when I don't have data, when I'm not connected to the internet. Then when I'm familiarized with what I need to know, I can now come to the webtem and then do my typing and then upload it to a GitHub or push it anywhere they want me to do so for me to get my scores. All right. So what do you think? Is it not better that way? I think it's best for you to go download this virtual memory, VirtualBox rather, download your Ubuntu, have your own terminal where you can do your practice. That's if you want to know real good. Okay, that was the first tool for shell navigations, Emacs inclusive, VI inclusive. When you're done with that, the second tool I'll recommend for you is this. Let's minimize this one. Let's minimize this, my Oracle virtual. Let's minimize this. It's the C3. Immediately you're done with the Gits, navigations, and Emacs, the next program you go into is C, and C is the most complicated program in this SE program. You need this C3. C3, you can look at the name CP5. It's simply a software that helps you compile C programs. Very simple. And you really need this because it's best that you learn C by yourself rather than using terminal. It's gonna take you more time. All right. Now let's simply create a new file. Create a new file, and then you will name this save as program.c. Okay. Now let's just write a little thing just for training purpose. stdio.h integer main void. Okay, we'll have something like print f VPC code. Return 0. Okay. All right, so you can see this is C code, but it's joining together because we didn't have a new line. So you can simply add /n here and then run the program. And you can see this is C code. So this is very, very essential for you to be able to study your C without having to do with the intranet. Okay, I think those two softwares are most essential for now. Thank you. In my next video, we're going to start the code straight up. We're going to start learning the shell navigation, see how to understand all the tasks that's going to be given to you and try to solve them one after the other with details of how you go about the codes. Thank you for having me. See you in my next video. Bye for now.